Okay, so today let us have a look at some of the examples where we could apply what we learned. So let us have a look at this example. What does it say? It says from a bus stand in Bangalore, if we buy 2 tickets to Malleswaram and 3 tickets to Yeshwanthpur, the total cost is 46. But if we buy three tickets to Malleswaram and 5 tickets to Yeshwanthpur, the total cost is 74 C. You can assume rupees or cents or whatever. And so we need to find the fares from the bus stand to Malleswaram and to Yeshwanthpur. So what do we do? First we start with assuming the variables. So let's say fares to Malleswaram. So let's say this to be X and fares to Yeshwanthpur. And fares to Yeshwanthpur as Y. Now the next step we do is whatever is written in words, we try to write them in terms of mathematical equation. So if we buy 2 tickets to Malleswaram, so 1 ticket to Malleswaram is X, so 2 tickets to Malleswaram will be 2X. And 3 tickets to Yeshwanthpur. So 1 ticket to Yeshwanthpur is Y, so 3 tickets to Yeshwanthpur will be 3Y. And together these, the total cost is 46. So this is our equation 1, or in standard terms it will be, in standard form it will be 2x plus 3y minus 46 equal to 0. Okay, the second part, if we buy 3 tickets to Malleswaram, so 3 tickets to Malleswaram will be 3x and 5 tickets to Yeshwanthpur. So 1 ticket to Yeshwanthpur is y, so 5 tickets will be 5y will be equal to 74, equation 2. Writing in standard form, 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equal to 0. So these are the two equations. Let us try solving it using cross multiplication method. So first, let's say we write it in table form, so x, and then we start with the next coefficients, 3, 5, and the next one, minus 46, minus 74. Then we have y. So we have already written minus 46 minus 74. So we write 2, 3, and then we write the constant 1, and after 2, 3, we have 3, 5. And what do we do now? The crisscross thing. So x divided by 3 minus 74 minus 5 times minus 46. So this is the first one. Then in the second we have y divided by minus 46 times 3 minus 46 times 3 minus 74 times 2, and this will be equal to 1 divided by 2 5s are 10 minus 9. So what we have here is x divided by, this will be minus 2 to 2 plus 230 is equal to y divided by minus 138 plus 148 is equal to 1 divided by 1. Therefore we have x divided by 8 is equal to y divided by 10 is equal to 1. Therefore what we have is x as 8 and y as 10. So let us quickly check if we got the right answer. So x as 8 and y as 10. So what did we get? We got x as 8 and y as 10. So if you buy 2 tickets to Malleswaram, that will be 16 plus 3 tickets to Yeshwanthpur, 30. 16, 30 will be 46. If you buy 3 tickets to Malleswaram, so 3, 8, 24. plus 5, 10, 50. 50, 24 would be 74. So we have arrived at the right solution. So let us have a look at another example. What does it say? For which value of p does the pair of equations given below has unique solution? Okay, so for a pair of linear equation to have unique solution, we had seen that the lines must be intersecting. And what was the condition for the pair to intersect? It was a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Only then they will intersect. So what do we have here? a1 is 4, a2 is 2. This should not be equal to b1 is p and b2 is 2. Therefore, we have 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 should not be equal to p, which implies which implies p should not be equal to 4. Okay, so only when p is 4, the system will not have a unique solution. So any other value p can take which is not 4, the system of linear equation will always have a unique solution. Okay, let us have a look at one more example. For what values of k will the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solution? Okay, so what was the condition for infinitely many solution? So for infinitely many solution, the requirement was that we needed to have a pair of linear equation which represent coincident lines. And the condition for this was a1 by a2 must be equal to b1 by b2 must be equal to c1 by c2. So this was the condition that we had. So what do we have here? A1 is k, A2 is 12, B1 is 3, B2 is k, C1 is minus k minus 3, C2 is minus k. Okay, so first let us take this equation. So what do we have? K by 12 is equal to 3 by k, which implies k square is equal to 36. Therefore, k can be either plus 6 or minus 6. 6 square is 36, minus 6 square is 36. So k can be either plus 6 or minus 6. But we also have one more part of the equation that has to be satisfied. So let us take this part. So what do we have? 3 by k is equal to, this thing gone, k minus 3 by k. Therefore, we have 3k is equal to k square minus 3k, or if we take this to other side, k square minus 6k is equal to 0, or k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. Or what does this imply is that k can be either 0 or k is equal to 6. So from the first part we got k can be either plus 6 or minus 6. From the second part we got k can be either 0 or 6. So combining both of them, taking the intersection of both of them, we find that the value of k is 6. And indeed, let us check here. What do we have here? If the value of k is 6, then we have 6x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. And we have 12x plus 6y minus 6 is equal to 0. So if you calculate, a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is 1 by 2. So to satisfy this equation, we will have infinitely many solutions.